going to begin by removing the shell off of the tamarind. I am working with 1.5 pounds of tamarind, that's with the shell on, okay? And once the shell is removed, then we're going to continue. This is the most difficult part of making tamarind ball. This is not the way to make a traditional tamarind ball. It's just a tamarind ball with a twist. I just wanted to see if I add different flavors and textures to this, how it would turn out. I didn't add much sugar. I only add, at this part of it, right, I only add a certain amount of sugar. But before I continue, as I was saying about the sugar, I only add 2 cups of the sugar because I am using a glaze on this, and that will be more sugar, so I'm controlling my sugar content. Alright, so once the sugar and the bandanna and the garlic and the salt has been added, I am now going to give everything a good mix, making sure that everything is properly well combined and loosening up the seeds from the flesh of the tamarind. Once it has formed a ball, you would make size that you choose, small, big, medium, and form a perfect ball. I placed some coconut oil in my hand so that everything will go smoothly and make a perfect ball, and this is what it looks like. And now I am going to place it on a plate so I can go and prepare my glaze for this tamarind. As I mentioned, this is not the way to make a traditional tamarind ball. Before I continue,
click the bell for new videos.
So that was the ingredients you would need for the glaze. I have my clove, my bay leaf, and my cinnamon. To my freshly blended coconut milk, I'm using 2 nice cups of coconut milk and adding all of the spices and the sugar. I am using 2.5 cups, and I am going to get that all creamy and nice. Before I continue, a quick reminder to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to check out my Twitter account, and let's continue. So to make this video go really fast, I didn't want to take you through that whole process of reducing down this glaze. So this is what it looks like. It is nice and thick, just the way I want it. So we're going to start to glaze our tamarind ball. Traditionally, at this point of the tamarind ball, you just roll it in sugar and that is the end. But as I said, I am going to add a glaze and some more coconut over it. So the husk from grating the coconut, I am then going to use and sprinkle over the glazed tamarind ball at this point, and then add more of the glaze over that coconut, and then another layer of the coconut and some sugar also. At this point, I am using some sugar. I am just sprinkling a light amount of sugar. That is optional. The coconut and the extra sugar is optional, but I choose to add an extra layer of sugar after I add the last amount of coconut. And this is it without the extra amount of sugar. This is before, and this is what it will look like after the second glaze was added over the last amount of coconut. And thank you all so much for watching this quick retake of a tamarind ball, or should I say a twist of the traditional tamarind ball. Thanks so much.